Assalamu alaikum, my dear viewers. Today's reading is for zodiac sign Aquarius, and the question is what is going to happen with my dear Aquarius in the month of September 2020. I am directly going to shuffle your cards. Okay, my dear Aquarius, your first card is moon card, and you are hiding lot of things, or someone is hiding their love, their the truth from you. I think someone is in love with you and they are not telling you this, um, uh, but with this card upside down they are going to tell you. They are going to open to you and going to tell you that they are in love with you and they are moving towards you, or maybe you are moving towards that person. You are telling them that you are in love with them, you want to marry them, and then you are taking the leap of step towards them. You want to have that person in your life, or you are going towards that person. You are not thinking about what is going to happen if this situation turning upside down, or something bad will happen to you with this situation. You are not thinking about anything. You are just thinking about that person, and you are having that person's thoughts in your mind. You are covering this distance between you and that person. You are not thinking about anything else. You are just thinking about that person, and you are not thinking about any danger or anything else. Okay, and you want to protect your home life, you want to protect your life, you want to protect your relationship, and that's why you are moving towards that person. You are going to tell them that you are still in love with that person. Maybe this person is already in your life. You are already partners, life partners, or husband wife to each other, and they are after they having a girl, they leave you to, and go to their parents home or somewhere else, and you are going to tell them that you are you are still in love with them. You want them back in your life. You are protecting your home life over here. You are going to marry, or maybe you are going to marry that person. You are not already with this person's in this person's relationship, and now you are going to marry that person. Okay, you are protecting here your heart, your your relationship with that person, or your love with that person. Okay, and you are going to succeed this situation. You are going to have this person back in your life, or maybe you are going to marry that person. And with this card you are going to end your stress over here. Your stress is going to end over here. Your burden is going to end over here. Okay, okay. Now what I got in the at the bottom of the deck, this is the star card, the wish fulfillment, the hopefulness, dreams come true, and your dreams are coming true with this card. You are going to have this person in your life. You have the um, wheel of fortune with you. Okay, and definitely you are going to have this person back in your life. Okay, now I want to have some more cards. I'm going to get some more cards for you. Okay, you have got the snow angel over here. The signs are with you already. That means that the angels are with you to have success in this situation, to go towards that person, to having a good home life, or for fulfill your desires over here with this star card and this angel card. The angels are with you, the Allah is with you, and they are helping you. Okay, I want to get some more cards. Now I have got passion, and allow your heart and your soul to sing with the joy. You have passion for that person. I think that that person also have passion and love for you in their heart, and they are not telling you because they are angry with you, or they are not talking to you. And now when you are going, you are going to tell them that you are sorry. You are going to apologize to them. They are telling you that they also love you. They also have the love for you in their heart. You don't have to release your ex. You don't have to release your ex in this situation. but you are not going to the honeymoon. This situation not leads you to a higher successfulness, or maybe they are still, when they come back to you in your home, but they still are not happy with you, they are still sad with you, they are still angry with you. And uh, but you don't have to be worried about it. There is no, they are just angry with you, they have no nothing bad thing in your in their mind. They don't want to do anything bad to you, they are just still angry to you, okay. And new love, there is no new, new love. They are just angry to you at this moment, and they are not having a good time with you. uh, just showing their anger to you still after coming back. Okay. And I want to have some more clarity over here. What is the outcome for their relationship, and what is the outcome of this video for my queries? Okay, mouse. Okay, definitely mouse. Maybe you have the energy of mouse. You had made their heart broken, and you had done something to them, or maybe they have done something to you. Maybe, I think that you have done something bad to them, and that's why they are angry with you. After they come back to your home, they still get angry at you because you have done something over here. Maybe you have some friendship with some girls or boys, and they are going to know that, or something else, you are uh, hiding something from them. But they are coming back to you because you have the wheel of fortune, and your wishes are coming true. But what is this, that they are not talking to you still, they are not talking to you, they are angry to you, angry with you, and they are showing this to you. Okay. This is all I have for you for this month of September 2020. Please like, share, subscribe my reading, and if you want to know more about this situation or some other situation, then you have to keep watching my video, and you surely get some help from there, with lots of love, with lots of good wishes. Bye. We will meet some other day.